Let me first introduce our Esim team. So we have Gloria and Saurabh, and Sumanto also I can see, who is actually a FOSSEE fellow with us last year, 2020. So all of these people will be available in the morning session to help you out with the Esim installation and usage. So Saurabh is the one who is actually leading our Esim effort in FOSSEE, and Gloria and Sumanto are also there to help him. So Saurabh, you can take over the session.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So first part of this workshop is to make sure that you have eSIM on your machine. So for that, yesterday in the guidelines email, an instruction sheet was shared with all of you. So I would just like to get a head count of how many people have installed eSIM. Have most of you installed it, or are you waiting for this session to get it done? Okay, so lots of people are saying answered, waiting for session. Okay, so yeah, this could.
How many people have registered on the spoken tutorial forum? Some of you who have installed it can please register yourself, and our team will help people who are waiting to install.
Yeah, so like Professor Kanan just said, so if you have eSIM ready on your machine, whether it is a Windows 10 or a Ubuntu 16 or 18 or 20, so you can actually register yourself on the spoken tutorial forums first, and then you can actually start the session. You can actually start with the first tutorial on the agenda, that is schematic creation simulation. So if you have the software with you, if you have registered on the forums, you can start the process. So the rest of you wait. Those who have not installed eSIM, or maybe have installed eSIM and are facing some difficulties, so those can. Usha ma'am, should we ask them to quit the Zoom session, or they have to stay logged in?
Anyway, if they are facing some issues, then they can come back to us. Because I think Zoom they can keep it mute and they can install it. No, you don't need to be logged off, no?
Yeah, I think so. So those who have installed on your machine and have run the preliminary check, if that preliminary check is okay, then I think you can start with the exercise, and you can start with the exercise.
So they can start with that first spoken tutorial.
Yes.
So they can start with that.
Yeah, the others can wait and start raising queries, or start raising queries one by one.
So whoever have installed and having no problems, then they can actually start practicing the spoken tutorial.
Let them register first on the forum.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah. So register and then start practicing. And the others actually, you can raise your queries, and Saurabh can actually help you out.
So those have problems, please raise a hand so I can.
So there is one person who has Windows 7.
Preeti Warrior, is it okay if you log out of Zoom and join back in some time? Yeah, that is okay, right, Usha ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Preeti, you can do that.
But how can she raise her queries?
No, I think she has Esim installed with her. So
okay, fine.
Yeah, ask the question on the forum, spoken tutorial forum.
Yeah. So to answer Priyan Jaiswal, he's asking, I have Windows 7. So for this workshop, like the installation sheet has mentioned, we are recommending Windows 10. But if you have Windows 7, you can try. Is it possible for you to get a Windows 10 machine or a virtual box maybe?
Yeah, that may be better. Virtual box, because Windows 7 is a difficult one to use. So you can come to him later, attend to other people. There is one from Shashank.
Yeah, cannot access Model Ecm app. Okay, Shashank, I'll just look this up. So anyone, those who have Windows, those who are using other than Windows 10, can I just get a head count, please? those who are not using Windows 10, just type in your operating system version number 7, 8. So I'll get an idea.
So till now we have around 7 people
7
who have
people.
told that Windows down below Windows 10.
So there is one option for you for the ones who have raised this, who do not have Windows 10, that you can either use a virtual box. You can get a virtual box for Windows 10. You can install one, and then you can practice there. Or another option is that you can get the lower version of Esim, that is 1.1.2 that was there. So that will work. That we have definitely tested for Windows 7 and 8. So that will work in there. But the recommended method would be to use a virtual box.
Do they need any help to install VirtualBox? You want to tell where to download it from? Just put a link here. Go through that. I have a feeling that there could be some 15 people who have, 8 people have, about 10 people have responded here. Maybe there may be another 5 people. So VirtualBox,
Yes, I'm just.
go through that.
Yes, sir. So I'm just.
So where to install, sir, the eSIM?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sir, from where we install eSIM?
So, sir, first you have to download eSIM from our web page.
Which page, sir, please?
Yeah, I will send a link. I will post a link in the chat. Just a minute.
Yes, sir, please.
No,
So,
but
do you have
how to do the forum also? Then send the guidance mail. Where was it given? There was a guideline mail, right? Where to install it from? How to for the forum?
Yes, yes. So I will share the installation sheet that is there, which has all the information you need. So the link that I've just shared, the one that starts with the spoken tutorial link. So this is the installation sheet for Esim, which guides you how to install Esim, where to download the software from, and how to install it. So those instructions are given here in this PDF. So please go through it and follow it point by point. Please note that there is some particular conditions that have to be met. For example, it has to be Windows 10 64-bit machine. You should
Yes,
have 4
sir.
GB of RAM, and some antivirus should be disabled. So those kind of conditions you have to first make sure are met, and then you can start with the process.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, eSIM 2.1, it was mentioned that Windows 7 and above.
Yeah. So it is mentioned in the web page. I understand, but when we do this compatibility check with the spoken tutorials, we have tested and validated and accounted the software for Windows 10. So it is recommended that it has been thoroughly tested for Windows 10. So that is the recommended method.
Okay, sir. What is the version now we have to download for Windows 7?
For Windows 7, so
Yeah.
you can try Windows 1.1.2
Okay.
or eSIM, eSIM 2.0
eSIM
or 2.0.
2.0. Okay.
Yeah, it is on the downloads page. So this FOSSEE
Yeah, it is
esim.fossee/downloads. You can see there is a eSIM 2.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so that
It
version you
is
can
there.
get, but some functionality may not be there. Like the mixed signal simulation is not there for 2.0. So if you want to use mixed signal simulation, then you may have to get a virtual box to run on your machine. And to Miss Jayshree S, you are saying you are unable to run simulations after completion to KiCad. So please raise these questions in the forum. So this particular session we are having is restricted to this Zoom session that we are happening in this time slot is limited to installation. So please put that query on the forum. So someone from the team will answer you there. Yeah, VirtualBox. I'm just sharing the link with you. So there is actually a spoken tutorial on how to install VirtualBox on your machine. So I will just share that link with you. Miss Mitta Palli Likita, it's displaying like unrecognized app. So when you try to open Esim, this is a Windows security patch which asks whether this software is recognized. So there should be an option to click OK, that run anyway, an option like run anyway or trust this software or something similar message will be there. So just accept that.
No, it didn't display it like that.
Then
Just cancel is there. Only that option is available.
no, there should be a hidden option there somewhere. Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah. So have you you have not installed it yet?
Sorry, I have installed, right?
Yeah, no, just click on that. No, because you are
Only
opening.
run as administrator down.
No, this is the executable file which will install the eSIM in the first place.
So run as administrator, no?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Can you go to that blue window on the back? More info. Click on more info. Yeah, now you will get that run anyway option. So yeah, click on that.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Then there is one Miss Lata. So I have so I know your issue. So what I will do is I will using any desk, I will access your computer and fix it. So just give me 5 minutes. Are there any other questions? Mr. Somesh BS. So this page should not have spaces between them. So please raise this query on the forum. How to download spoken tutorials. So Mr. Somesh, are you? Did you get my message? You have to raise this query in the forums.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, we'll registering for the spoken classes. We need to use the same email ID.
That
What you can use any email ID, but whatever email ID you used in the forum, you should use that, because there will be you will get a message saying that activate.
Yes, sir.
Go to that mail, and then of course you have to remember the password. That password, any change also will go into that email account only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And desired name means?
How do you want to be your name to be displayed?
Okay.
and there was one query by Babita, how to download spoken tutorials. So I think the link to download those tutorials has already been sent to you, but I will post it in the chat one more time. So yeah, this link that I've shared, fossee.in/esim-spoken-tutorial. So go to this link, you will get the option to download the CD content folder. You have to extract it and then open it in your browser and perform the practice the sessions like Professor Kannan had showed earlier.
And ask that the right place. Choose the tutorial, choose the minute, choose the second, and then ask a question in that, so that it will be useful to other people also. And our people will also find it easy to answer the questions.
So cannot access Model Ecm app eSIM folder. Just a minute. So yeah, I will answer this question in a minute. I think someone else also has raised this earlier. So Ms. Nivedita, you have installed already eSIM. So what you do is you try if this version runs in Windows 8 2.1. We have recommended Windows 10 for this, but you try if it works. If not, then please revert to 2.0 version. For the Model Ecm app error, I'm just sharing a link. So like Professor Kannan mentioned earlier, if a question has been answered before, if you have a certain doubt and someone has had that query before, so what you can do is you can look up the forum for it.
Why don't you, if it is there in the, if you
yes,
know,
sir,
just open the forum and show it to them where to find it.
Yes, sir. So I've just posted this link now in the chat. Question 1747. If you go to that link.
No, that's not the way to show it. Go to eSIM. Is it? Did they ask at the right position, right time? Original question.
So this is a question on the FOSSEE forums.
It's in the FOSSEE forum. Okay, fine, no problem. Yeah, I have not told them about FOSSEE forum. You can show that also. But that will be different registration, right? They have to ask a question. But to see, this is fine. For now, this is good enough. Okay.
So those who are facing this Modelica map error, please go to this link and see the answers there.
But why not ask them to post the question in the spoken tutorial forum at the appropriate time?
Yes, yes, you can do that. So when you have started the, if you have started the schematic creation and simulation tutorial, at the time at which you have faced this error, let's say, for example, if you have faced this at 1 minute and 30 seconds, so please raise this question there. So we'll have a record of it on the spoken tutorial forums also.
So how much time does this eSIM takes to download? Install rather?
It is a 200 MB file. So I think maximum 10-15 minutes it should take to download, and to install also it takes
It started about 10 minutes back and it's still installing. So that's what I got doubt here. Does it take much time?
Yeah. So ideally it takes like 10 minutes. Like yesterday I installed it on Miss Lata's system myself. So it took like
but it was saying that the Windows 10 Defender was asking not to install it. I clicked run it anyway or install it anyway.
Yeah. So it will not break your system or anything. So it is just a security measure by Windows to make you aware of.
I don't have any other antivirus as such.
So we don't download any packages from the internet or anything. So it is safe. I can assure you it is safe. It's not a problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, sometime it may take time because of the connectivity. So sometime it may be slow.
It depends on net speed also.
Yes, and processor also. Processor also, sir. So it may take little time. Just wait for some time. It will be showing what all packages it is installing. That run 100%, 10% will be coming.
Yeah. It's showing the progress.
Yes. As long as it's continuing, it's okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Professor Latha Shenoy, can you hear me? Yeah, hello ma'am. So my colleague Rahul will connect you through any desk. We have downloaded that application on your desktop yesterday. So I believe you have my phone number. Just text me your this access code to me on your, instead of Zoom, text it to me. I will share it with my colleague and he will get access to your system.
Sir.
Yes.
I cannot be able to register for
the forums.
Spoken tutorials.
Which part are you stuck? Have you created the account are you facing problem in the verification?
Yes, sir. Means I cannot register for that. It's showing enter the valid user.
No. Are you trying to log in or are you trying to register?
Share the screen. Register.
Okay. Yeah. So just share your screen. And Mr. Abhinash Bharti, can you which location did you install Esim in?
Sir, in the C only.
Okay.
Sir, in the C users and Avinash Bharti in that folder, I think.
Yeah, so when you try to open project, you have to go to the directory where Esim is installed. So if you have shared it in HP users, what name you suggested?
Sir, there will be an Esim folder, right?
Yeah. So ideally it should be in C FOSSEE. There should be just check C folder. You just check your C drive and check if there is a FOSSEE folder there.
Okay, wait.
Mr. Gopal, as you can see, just stop. So enter a valid username, 30 characters of you. Remove that underscore and then try.
Yes, I have tried that.
Try Gopal Gowda, remove that and try 1, 2, 3, 4 or something like that. Like add a digit there and remove the underscore.
Okay.
Sir, in the C there is an FOSSEE, but that is showing empty. I think that I have installed earlier on the 14 March 2020. It is showing. That version was initially, I think, for Esim 1.1 or something.
Okay, so in the instructions guideline that I've shared earlier, I will share that document one more time. So in that document, we have one section where, like, the very first thing it says is that Okay, no, sorry, I misspoke. So did you remove the older version of eSIM first?
Yes, sir. I have uninstalled that.
Okay.
Today I have downloaded the 2.1 version.
So did you install after downloading?
No, ma'am.
So you have to install first. Are you on Windows, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Windows.
Yeah. So right click on the downloaded folder file, and
Okay.
then run as administrator. The instructions are written in the the installation sheet we had shared. No. So follow that
Okay, yeah.
process. First, you have to install it, because after downloading, you have to install it. Then only eSIM will work properly.
Yes, ma'am. I have installed that.
Okay.
It is
So,
also opening, but
hmm.
when I am going to, there is an option in the top bar, new project and open project. In that, when I opening the project, then it is showing C users, and in that
So
folder
can you
that is
share?
showing.
Yeah,
Can you
just share your
share
screen
your
so we
screen?
can.
Yeah, sure, sure.
So
This is the workspace C
yeah,
users.
just 1 minute before you click OK. Just
Oh,
yeah,
do I
okay,
cut
that's
it?
okay. No, on the fourth option that you see, there is a briefcase option, right?
Yeah, change workspace.
Change that. Click there. Yeah, okay. Now this is for anyone who is watching. If you see this workspace area, you can see that the path is C users Avinash space Bharti hyphen
Yes.
eSIM and then eSIM workspace. So there is a space character between the name Avinash and Bharti.
Yeah.
So that somehow creates problems. So please change
Oh,
that. Now click browse.
okay.
Okay. Go to C drive.
New drive.
C drive. We want
C drive.
somewhere like where you don't have paths in between. So C is a safe bet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Open eSIM.
So this is the
Okay.
showing
Then
the
click on FOSSEE. Click on FOSSEE.
FOSSEE. Yeah.
Yeah. Select folder. No.
There is no folder.
There is an option downstairs below. Select folder.
Okay.
Have you selected?
No, sir. There is no items match.
No, there is no items. I understand. Yeah.
Click on the select folder button, which is down.
Yeah. Go to FOSSEE and click the select folder button.
Select folder. Yeah.
Now click set default पे click करो एक बार.
Okay.
Yeah, click that option and okay. Okay, now.
Okay.
Now your workspace is changed. Now click on open project.
Yeah.
Now go to C drive, the one directory back. So where did you install eSIM now?
Esim.
You are seeing users somewhere, right?
Yeah,
C users, I think.
So
can you please scroll down?
Yeah, C users.
So again, if your eSIM is installed in Avinash Bharti, then again that space is going to come. So what you can do is you can copy paste the examples in the C drive.
Okay.
Yeah, just do that right away. Cancel it. It won't work. So cancel now. Click OK. Now go to that. Go where your example folder is on your file manager. Avinash Bharti there. So
yeah.
Where is eSIM? No, that's not it.
There is a dot eSIM.
That's not it. Can you scroll below?
Workspace there is.
No, that's not it either. So I'm not actually able to locate where you have downloaded your eSIM. So that's the That's the problem. I'm
Yeah,
not able to.
can we look into the downloads folder?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
I think it will. Yeah, it is spoken.
No, this is spoken.
Okay.
By default, where all your downloads reside?
Yeah, sir. It is in the e downloads only.
Okay.
Okay, so when you actually
Esim
when you
instructions.
when you are installing Esim,
Yeah.
so that time you would have got a message saying where do you want to install Esim. So there the default directory is selected as C FOSSEE. So
There is CFOS. Yeah.
yeah, but the folder did not come there. So I'm guessing you selected some other directory path there. So the folders, the examples, the source code, all is shared over there.
Okay.
Just do a search. Go to this PC or
Yeah.
do a quick search to see where this.
Should I search?
Yeah, just search for examples. E capital.
1 minute.
Yeah, E capital examples.
Hi. While you're helping him out, I just have a quick question, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I am not getting a verification email when I try to register. I've done it twice. One, when the first time I try and create a username, the 7 or 8 fields that are there for the Spoken Tutorials forum, it throws a message saying that if you didn't receive an email verification, then just click here. And then it gives me a chance to once again enter my email ID. And I once again did that. It's not coming through my verification.
So have you tried your have you checked your spam folder by any chance?
I have, yeah. It's a college email ID, it's a university email ID, so it's not coming through. I have checked my spam, yes.
Okay.
For some reason, I'm not able to locate.
Hi, this is regarding spoken tutorial registration, right?
Yes, indeed.
So can you tell me, can you put your name or username on the chat? I'll try to help you out.
Sure.
Excuse sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah.
When I'm registering for spoken tutorial, it says that when I put on my email ID, it says that it already exists. What should I do?
So you probably have a account created for this earlier. So you can try the forget password option. It will send you a link to reset your password.
Where should I go then?
So there is a link, forget password. When you are login, no? When you log in, details are there, username, password, and forget password. If you click on that, enter the same email ID when it will prompt, the one that you are entering right now.
Already registered. I registered, I think, using another email ID. So, shall I log into that email ID?
Yes, so please try that.
It has taken me to the same website of spoken tutorials.org.
So now try logging in, please.
Just I logged in there only using my.
Sir, can you see your name on top left corner?
Yes.
Sorry, right corner.
Yes.
So yes, sir. Now you click on forum and you can access the forum.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Just another question, ma'am. I have installed this eSIM now. And shall I start then?
So there is a section in the installation sheet which says after you install, you can verify whether Esim is installed correctly. So third section, check your installation in the installation sheet. So there is an example that you have to run and see whether you are getting the simulations and graphs. Can you please do that too?
It has opened it.
Oh, so that is fine then, sir. So Saurabh, should they start with the
Yeah, if they have,
tutorial?
if you have finished it, then you can.
Then I should click on open schematic or some.
Yeah, just follow the tutorial, sir, please.
Which tutorial, Saurabh? You can mention the
Schematic. You should follow the first tutorial in the list as the schedule mentions: schematic creation and simulation.
Sir, there is a CD link that we have shared with you that Professor Kannan was showing in the morning. If you could go and open it on the HTML page on a browser, index.html, open it in a browser, and then you will see a series of tutorial coming there. Okay, so from the drop down, FOSS name has to be selected as Esim and the language is English. Hit on the submit button and the list of tutorials for Esim will come. So select the first tutorial from there and as directed in the tutorial, please proceed.
Sir, this is the location showing.
Where?
Sir, this is the location showing target C, Esim, FOSSEE, Esim.exe. Can you see the screen, sir?
Yeah, I can see. Can you just click on general there beside shortcut?
General. Yeah. See users public desktop.
Okay. So now go to Esim window. Or did you close it? No,
just open normally.
No, anyway, it's okay.
Okay.
So now it is in desktop somewhere.
Okay. Should I open that?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Now click on desktop. You see where the Esim folder is? Yeah, can you click on that Esim IIT Bombay?
I think that is not.
Yeah.
That is I have created today, I think.
Achha, okay. So I'm very puzzled because I'm not able to locate where you have because that examples folder with capital E is extracted when you install Esim. So
okay. Should I reinstall that after installation?
But for that also, I will.
Hello.
Yeah, is it Tushar?
Yeah, I'm Tushar. Mr. Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can try to uninstall it and try to install it again.
Okay, fine.
Just make sure that the exe which you are trying to install, that just make sure that in the installation procedure, just make sure that the path where it resides to, the default path, C:/FOSSEE, just keep in mind that path so that next time you can directly access to that folder.
Okay.
So by default, it will be like C:/FOSSEE/Esim. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Saurabh sir, actually, I am getting the same problem. Actually, I'm not able to browse that one. I have installed that Esim software, but I'm not able to. Actually, I'm changing the location also. There is no space, but I'm unable to open that.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Umayal R. So if you have completed the installation and everything, you can of course go and start the activities.
Okay.
And if you have doubts, then you can raise them on the spoken tutorial forums.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Just go to Esim window.
Yes. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah. I can see your screen.
Yeah.
Just browse and change it to your workspace to C, please. App data. I don't know whether it has permissions.
Yeah, sir. In C, in FOSSEE.
Yeah, click on FOSSEE. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Select folder button and the bottom right. Okay. Set default and
Yeah.
click OK.
Yeah. Sir,
Okay.
sir, it's gone away.
Are you using Windows 7?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Okay. So do you have virtual machine like I mentioned at the beginning of this session?
Yeah, yeah.
Will you be able to install virtual machine by any chance? Do you have enough space on your machine?
No, sir. Actually, this is my own PC. I am working in my HCL PC, but HCL PC is not allowed me to install this software.
Okay, it won't allow you to get VirtualBox.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can do one thing in the browser.
Yeah.
On our downloads page. So first uninstall Esim. Then first step first. Go to on the in your file browser. Yeah. Go to see FOSSEE Esim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. The second last option.
Yeah.
Yeah. So run that. It will remove Esim. So you will have to revert to an older version, I'm afraid.
Okay. So I have to uninstall that.
Yeah. Just click on that file.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. It will remove all the things that are there for Esim 2.1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now simultaneously go to the browser.
Okay.
Downloads. I think there is a tab open already somewhere. Yeah, you can go to just type in an address. I'm telling you, esim.fossee.
.fossee.
The downloads page. नीचे आ रहा है ना second. Yeah. So there you will see this Esim 2.0 version. Yeah. So download that. It will.
Yeah, actually I'm downloaded that, but not install.
Okay. Then you need to run it as an administration, by the way.
Okay, I will show that. Yeah, it is there.
Yeah. Open that, please.
Yeah, this one, sir.
Esim 2.0. Yeah. Right click on it.
Yeah.
Run as administrator.
Okay.
Okay. Click I agree. Yes. Next.
That uninstallation is over.
Wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on. So yeah, cancel it. Yeah. First check its progress. Once it is completed now, then you can run this thing. The red window on your last browser में नहीं in the no on your toolbar.
On your bottom toolbar, sir.
Bottom
taskbar. Yes.
Yeah.
Uninstallation is still going on.
Okay, completed hai.
Completed. Now you close this so that.
Yeah. Now you from the browser from your file explorer run that 2.0 file.
Okay, sir. Wait.
Yeah, sure. 2.0. Click next. Install.
Sir, why it is so Esim 2.1? Yeah.
No, this is 2.0. This. Yeah, the file size is 5.76. So this is definitely version 2.0.
Okay.
May have been a mistake. We'll fix it. Thank you for bringing it up.
But on the top bar, it is telling that it is 2.0 only.
Yeah. So that is probably a typo in the 2.1 setup. So.
Yeah.
Sir, Avinash, this side.
Yeah. Yes, Avinash.
Sir, I have got that examples file here in the C Esim FOSSEE again Esim in that examples images library and GSDL are there.
Correct. So that's where the examples are.
Yeah.
Now from the project. Okay, Abhinash, are you the one who was sharing screen earlier?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I need to copy that, sir.
Is there a path in the is there a space in the path to the examples folder?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so just copy that to the C drive, copy that
Okay.
examples folder to the C
Okay.
drive, and
Okay. Where will I paste that?
in your
Priyan, can you just reconnect after the installation is over so that we can answer Avinash sir?
Yeah, sure.
yeah, just
Yeah, just stop for
stop
some
share.
time. Once you have
Okay.
installed,
Yeah.
rejoin, please.
Yeah, Mr. Abhinash.
Yes, sir. Sharing screen, sir.
Okay. Mr. Purushottam, when do we reconvene on Zoom? So, based on the schedule.
So this session actually they have to practice the first tutorial. So if they have any doubts and all, they can connect to the FOSSEE forum and spoken tutorial forum and ask the questions. Otherwise, I think they can join in the afternoon session, right? But I am just asking Preeti to post the attendance form. So just wait for 5-10 minutes, all the participants, so that if you can just fill it up for the morning session, then you can just leave and then join back at 2 o'clock. Yeah. So just wait for 5 minutes. I will just ask them to post the attendance sheet.
Mr. Abhinash?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we can open the Esim software. You can browse till the directory. Can you do that?
Sorry, sir. I am not. Your voice is not clear.
Okay, I will repeat one more time.
Okay.
Just click on the Esim icon.
Okay.
On your screen itself, in the file itself, there is a icon.
Okay, here.
Yeah, double click on it. So a small announcement announcement has been made by Miss Preeti Guikar. Please check that there is some attendance doc has been posted.
Now please the same folder.
Sir, open project.
Yeah.
Yes. Now go back. Where was the Esim?
FOSSEE in the Esim. Yeah, here it was.
Yeah, examples.
Okay.
Yeah, now check the which was it? I think the half rectifier is to be selected, right?
Yeah.
Okay, understood.
Yeah, click on it and select folder button.
So please note that your default work selected path and this is different. Huh?
Yeah.
You may have to change the default path then.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Yeah, now double click on it and now you can follow the tutorial,
Okay.
schematic creation and simulation. And if you face any problems, please post the queries on your on the forum.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's something with the installation, then you can raise a query here on Zoom.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm still getting the Modelica error.
Shashank, I posted a query. I posted a link for it. I
Yeah, I've checked it, but still I'm getting the same.
Okay, just Rahul, can you are you there? Shashank, can you just share your screen and show me what the problem is?
Yeah, okay.
Rahul is helping Miss Lata at the moment. Till then, I'll try to help. This is Windows 10, is it?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
I'm getting this and automatically closing.
Yeah, wait a minute. Change your workspace to something else, and then we'll try. Because it is going in app data roaming for some reason. Change to this PC C drive and select some location.
I'll select this.
Yeah, sure.
Set default.
Yeah. Before you click OK, just no such file and directory.
Yeah, it's closing.
Okay, do one thing. Open your file browser, file explorer. Go to that app data folder if you can. See users. Your Shashank. What was it? Desktop. .esim.
Okay.
Yeah, create a file here. New file. Workspace. Shortcut name. Text file. Text document. Workspace.txt. Okay. Now try running Esim one more time. So this is a file which is populated later on. Yeah, change your workspace. Just show me the Shashank app data roaming. Shashank, go back. Go to Shashank. Where is that app data? Can you can you show
Scroll
the
up, sir.
hidden
Please scroll
folders?
up. Need scroll up, I think. You know.
That's all there is on his
Oh.
desktop. It's a hidden folder. So view mein jaake can you just
Right click.
Yeah, hidden folders. Can you? Yeah, I think in properties, in view, hidden items, huh? Okay, yeah. Now go to app data, roaming.
Roaming.
App data roaming.
CAD, everything is there.
Shashank, do you remember what the this was? SPB data. SPB data पे जाओ.
No. I'll check it.
I'm pretty sure it was SPB data, but yeah.
SPB data is in the.
This one.
हाँ ठीक है. Again, change your browser space. Sorry, you have to do this many times, but. हाँ now एक मिनट हाँ bring that window. ये जो window है ना, take it, see if you can browse it to the side, right side में इसको shift कर सकते हो क्या देखो. I want to see the path, that's all. This window, bring it to the that small Esim window which is open in the white, which is asking you for workspace. Bring that to the right hand side of your PC.
This one?
नहीं वो नहीं. हाँ छोटा वाला. हाँ yeah that's the one. Yeah, now click set default and click OK. Okay, go to SPB data. Correct, we are on the right path. SPB data. Okay, then again check for hidden folders. There should be a .esim folder here.
It's there.
Okay, so create a folder named .esim. .esim. Okay, open that and create an empty file, empty text file, workspace.txt. Okay, now let's try one more time. Okay. Now try opening a project, please. Opening a project, yeah. Esim, yeah. First folder. उधर ही आ गया, yeah. Examples. Yeah. Now I think you have got the setup, so you can just click on the half wave rectifier, select folder. Yeah. Now you can follow the tutorial.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Mr. Y Vinitha Reddy. So you are using. You are going to use VirtualBox. Am I right?
I have to install that one. I mean, VirtualBox. I don't know. I have to see that spoken tutorial.
Okay, for seeing the spoken tutorial, I've posted the link, but I will share it one more time.
Ma'am, you are using which Windows?
Windows 8.1.
So, okay, fine.
I just tried with whether it will proceed, but it's not opened. It's shown error.
Is it Windows 32-bit or 64-bit?
64 bits.
Okay.
Miss Vinitha, just hold on a second. Miss Y Vinitha Reddy, can you please explain your issue? Rahul, can you?
Vinita ma'am, you can explain your problem verbally to Rahul. He's our software person. He can help you.
So actually, I completed everything, and even the Esim icon has been came in the desktop. But while I'm opening, the interface has been stuck. It's showing the error like the window version does not support the required Bluetooth API.
Bluetooth API?
Yeah, should I share the screen?
Yeah.
Can you share your screen and show Tushar, can you help Jayashree ma'am? She has asked something on chat. Tushar, if you're there.
Hello, yeah.
So I'm also having this issue.
Which issue? The Windows 8.
Same as Vinita's.
Okay, so I think one option is that you can, like, we had recommended Windows 10 for this, but if you don't have Windows 10, then you can probably go for the lower version of Esim, like how we just did for I believe Shashank or Abhijat. I forgot the name now. Sorry. So you can
Okay,
try that
I can
option.
install Esim 2.0.
Yeah, so you first remove Esim 2.1.
What you can do is, Saurabh, sorry to interrupt. What you can do is you can just say that this, whatever you're showing right now, will work for all Windows 8 users. So then everyone can pay attention here and they can get it resolved at once, right?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Helpful suggestion. So everyone who has, like ma'am just said, if anyone who is using Windows 8, just please pay attention for 2 minutes. So eSIM 2.1 has not been thoroughly verified for 8.1. We have thoroughly verified it to Windows 10, which is why it was recommended in the installation sheet. But if you don't have it, so the probable option that I see right now is that you can try eSIM version 2.0. I will post the link for it in the chat so you can have a look at it. So this is the link that I've posted to download the eSIM 2.0 version. There is an I'll just share my screen actually so that I can show you. Okay, Parthajit Bhar, thank you for your input. So apparently Windows 7 is working well for version 2.1, but 8 seems to be giving some trouble. So if you can see my screen, I am on this page, eSIM FOSSEE downloads. And here in this section, we have a eSIM version 2.0 section, which was released in 24 March 2020. For there, this eSIM 2.0 install.exe file, this will work well for Windows 8. So you can try that. So you can try this. And there are installation instructions given here also on how to install this for Windows. You can see on this page.
Tushar, can you take up questions on the chat?
Vinita, Rahul also has joined. So if some specific questions are there, I think he can also answer. I talked to
Yes, Rahul,
He
you
is
can also
actually there.
answer because it's related to 32-bit system and all those things. So please come on chat.
Regarding the support for 32-bit machines, so one can try the version 1.1.2, but note that it is outdated. It is very back from the current features of 2.1.
Yes, Ms. Mridula, you can practice the tutorial problems if you have eSIM ready on your system now. Yeah, Priyan.
Yes, completed my install 2.0.
Yeah.
And yeah, actually 2.0 eSIM app, it's completed installation, but it's getting same problem for Windows 7.
Can you? I cannot recall what your problem was because.
Please share the screen, sir, so that we can
Yeah.
look at the error you are getting.
Are you seeing my screen?
So, Saurabh, this is the
Yeah. I can see your screen.
The workspace directory is little different.
Not open.
Okay, Rahul, did you?
Yeah, I will answer it. Most of you are facing this similar kind of issue. So there is a kind of app for it. So can you please close the eSIM? Yeah, do not launch eSIM.
What?
Close the eSIM for now.
Okay.
Go to your C drive. C users. Users, yes.
Yeah.
Your username for this Windows is Win07, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so open that folder. Now copy that .esim and .nghdl folder. Can you see?
.esim?
Sorry, you are using 2.1. Yeah, just copy that folder. And now open. Okay, can you see the view button on top menu bar? Left side.
View button.
Yeah, file, edit, view. Yeah. Go to view. No, actually, you need to get access to the hidden folders.
But it is not there.
Yeah, give me a second.
Rahul, there is a lock icon on his Windows Win07 user. So could that be a problem? Is it a protected user of some kind?
I think Esim has installed on his machine, so that should not be an issue. So Priyan, you need to see the hidden folders.
From the
so
control
do you know? Folder option. First column, fourth row. Yeah. Go to View tab and select Show Hidden Files folders. Yeah. Now go to your C users Win7 folder.
Okay.
Go to App Data, Roaming, Go to SPB_data folder. Yeah, paste that copied folder here. And now try to launch Esim.
Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, can I change the location also?
First try with the current location.
Okay. Yeah, set defaults. But I am not I'm not able to select that examples.
No, for this you need to select the folder. So you have done that already. So now click. No, wait. Go to the examples.
What?
Go to C, FOSSEE.
From this
Yes.
open project. Okay.
Yes.
What's this?
C, FOSSEE, Esim. Examples. Select the second folder from top. Yeah, click on the select folder button and bottom right. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now double click on it.
Yeah.
And click on simulate button.
This one.
No, third icon.
Yeah.
Left. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Your issue has been done.
Okay.
And if similar kind of issue arises for other users, so please help them as well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, so actually that regarding the 2.0 version, is there any difference between the features in 2.0 and 2.1?
Yes, yes. So the version 2.2, 2.1 has we have added the support for mixed signal simulation. So which was there for Windows 2.0 version, but in Linux. So since you do not have Linux, since Windows users did not have the option to create more mixed signal simulation, so we added that in 2.1. So that will be missing. But if you want to upgrade the use that feature, then I'm afraid you will have to use VirtualBox.
But ma'am, I think you will be able to do the tutorials and do the workshop successfully. So don't worry.
Okay.
Saurabh?
Yes, Mr. Gopal.
Am I correct? They will be able to do the workshop.
I cannot
open. Mr. Gopal, just hold on a second. So just to answer Ms. Vinita ma'am's question. So even if you have Esim version 2.0, so you will be able to do most of the activities that we are going to show for day 1 and day 2. Only on day 3 there is a small part where we are going to give a demo, so that you may not be able to do, but that's okay. We can help you with the VirtualBox installation after the workshop. So whenever you want to try it, we are here to help you. But for the 2 days, for circuit simulation, creation, and PCB design, and the sub-circuit builder feature, you can definitely use this.
Okay.
Mr. Gopal, can you share your screen?
Yeah.
Click OK. Okay. Yeah. On your top left corner, there is a briefcase icon.
That's normally.
Okay.
The fourth icon, which is the this
change workspace. Click there. Is it? Can you move your cursor once? Then your screen is frozen. I cannot.
Can I share again?
Yeah, please.
Can you able to see that?
Yes.
Actually, there is a space between the names, no? His name, no?
Yeah. So what you can do is that won't work actually. Removing the space. What you can do is
hello. Yeah. Sorry. So click on browse.
Browse. Okay.
Browse. So there is a space. So that space is creating problem. Now go to C drive. Select that FOSSEE folder. Yeah, just click and then there is a select folder down. Select folder button at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, click on that. Okay, set default pay. Please click. Please click on set default. Okay, and then select OK.
It should be stored in
Yeah. So
space.
your project. Yeah. So your projects will be stored in C FOSSEE. Okay. Now click OK.
It's creating.
Okay. Now it's creating. Okay. Sure. Thanks.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm facing an issue similar to those before me. Could you please help me?
Yes, could you please share the screen, ma'am?
Okay, just a minute.
No, ma'am, don't hit that. No, don't hit that. Please go to the browse button as he has directed to the previous one. No, just go to that and in the file manager, ma'am. Close this window. And at the bottom toolbar of the Windows, you have a file manager below. Yeah, sorry, you can take over.
Yeah, open that file manager.
Yes.
Yeah, go to users.
Okay.
Which is, are you using J or default? Which one? Yeah, I think J is what you're using.
Esim.
Rahul, are you there? Can you, because I seem to have.
Yes, sir. So first, can you launch this EC? Yeah, click on that button.
Sorry?
Sorry, on the video.
What?
SPD data. Yeah, so now copy that .esim folder. Close this esim.
Okay, copy this folder. Okay.
Now go to C. Go to SPB underscore data folder and paste that folder here. Now try to launch Esim again.
Ma'am, close this terminal and restart the Esim by clicking on the Esim icon. Gotcha, you have started. Okay.
Now should I just?
Yeah, just click on OK.
Thank you.
Ma'am, please remember this path because it's going to be there in this folder only. So even if the tutorial asks you to go somewhere else, you should remember the path that is shown in your workspace. It can be seen below you can see the code running. So even if the tutorial says you have to go to FOSSEE Esim, you have to use this path, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Are there anybody else facing any problem or the installation is okay? So now you can go for the lunch break. We can break for lunch break and come back at 2 o'clock. Please go, if you get the time, please go through the first tutorial also so that you know the basic look and feel and the places where the icons are there in Esim. So that when you come back in the afternoon at 2 o'clock, you will be able to continue from the schedule. So if you have a problem, please do raise your hand, chat or ask.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, I have getting problem when I give the new project name, just like
So
RC.
could you
but
share your screen so that I can?
Yeah, when I go to new project, just I enter one name, just like RC. But it's so the project name should contain space between.
Okay. So you see your default workspace has this C users win and then space 07. Can you see at the bottom?
Esim interface has 3 panels. One on the project, other is about Esim, and below Esim about Esim, there's a white color panel again. it is telling you default workspace. Can you see inside the Esim
Yeah.
interface?
Yeah.
So see user win-07 below,
Then
sir. नीचे
Yeah,
आइए
yeah,
हाथ
yeah,
पे।
yeah,
Here,
yeah,
yeah.
Yeah. So what you do is you go to that workspace that on the top toolbar there is a briefcase icon.
yeah,
Yeah, you click on that. Yeah, click on that. Browse.
yeah,
Go to C. Go to C FOSSEE.
yeah.
Yeah, and just select folder button.
Okay,
So your projects will be created in this directory now. C FOSSEE.
okay.
Okay, set default okay, and now try again. Create that RC project.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Thank you.
So I think if no one else has any doubts, then I think we can break for lunch. And again, we can come back at 2 o'clock.